My name is Marc Fletcher. I'm a Bubble developer and no-code enthusiast. I've been part of the 100 Days of No-Code community since its sort of inception. I'm currently a practitioner in residence, helping out the 5th boot camp. That's my website there. You can see some of the things I've been building. I've got a sort of good idea of having a portfolio of small bets, so I like doing all sorts of different things, templates, plugins, and full builds. So Bubble is my app of choice, and this app is called ThinkSee that I'm selling. It's a tool to generate stock images using artificial intelligence. Instead of using a sort of Shutterstock style service, you can generate your own images, and they're all completely royalty free. It's built using cards for the landing page, and the main app is on bubble.io. You can go and check it out at ThinkSee.ai, and the build has an API connection to DALL-E, so that's how I'm generating the images, and the payment processor is Lemon Squeezy, which is sort of come to prominence recently. It's a nice service that is a merchant of record, so it handles all taxes for you. So it's a bit more of a nice product to use if you're a sort of freelance builder type developer. I built ThinkSee because I just enjoy building. That's a real passion of mine, and I'm also excited by AI. It's obviously a very fashionable thing at the minute, and OpenAI is a real inspiration to me. So I was really happy to exploit the DALL-E API, and also it's great experience for me. I'm currently trying to become a good, better Bubble builder. So anything I can do to expand upon that is an opportunity for me. So that's part of the reason why I build it. But I'm a bit of a doing client work presently, and it's just taken over as a higher priority than this. So that's why I'd like to sell it. It would mean someone else can take it on rather than it just either being deleted or sitting there doing nothing. And also, when I visited it recently to try and get some sort of more features built, it didn't really excite me anymore. So I want to move on to other things. So it's going to sit idle if I don't do something with it. So I thought this is a great idea to take advantage of Harold's opportunity. The concept is that it's a multi-user service. It's a SaaS, freemium-based SaaS. So every user signs up, gets a free amount of images to generate every month, and then they can upgrade with various payment plans to increase the amount of images that they can get. There's 3 functions. The first one is to generate an original image based on some text that you put into a prompt. You can edit images, and you can also get a variation of an image. So we'll do a demo now, and this is the landing page. So we've got some examples of the images that have been produced by ThinkSee. It's on card, fully responsive, basically has some explanations of all the features, pricing, some gallery, and an explanation of the limitations that are enforced by using DALL-E. So that is that's a standalone website, and then when you link through to the product and sign up, this is the landing page that you log in. Top here is the 3 actual types of features. So if we generate something, this is a prompt that I've already generated one on. So if I push submit, we're now going to go through the process of sending that prompt to the DALL-E API, and it will prepare an image for us, and then send that back for us to do something with. And it sort of works quite well, because now I have the opportunity to just click this button here, and I can download that to my desktop and do something with it. I've chosen to have the largest style resolution that you can get from DALL-E, so you get a reasonable quality if you wanted to use this. It's not really good enough for print, but it's perfect for web. The next feature is an edit, where you can upload 2 types of images. One has got an image of something that you want to edit, and then the other version is the other image is a version of a transparency of that image. So you then replace a part of an image with something that the AI will generate for you. The variation is exactly what it does. You give it an image. I'm going to upload the image of the television, and it will generate a version of that image that it entirely decides what it will be. There are other features. Quickly, there's a back end here where you can do some stuff. If you're an admin, you do get some back end graphical information here, and you can see that I've got 141 users right now. Nobody is converted to a pay-in service as yet. I'm not sure what else we've got. This is what I'm selling, the domain, ThinkSee .ai, the bubble app, the card landing page. The domain is an expensive domain. The Twitter account, there's a Gitbook help page as well with some help stuff on it and some videos. And I'll check with the payment processor today that we can transfer. It's lemon squeezy. We can transfer the actual account over. The actual Gmail account, I'm not sure I can transfer that, or the OpenAI account, but I can help whoever buys it to sort of handle that stuff. But yeah, there we are. These images here have been generated with ThinkSee, so it looks pretty good.